All right, thank you. Welcome to my masterclass. Today I'll be showing you how to install and also register a cryptocurrency wallet. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so now. Thank you, so you can get more content from me. So let's begin. Yeah. Um, First of all, you go to Play Store, then you look for the app you want to install. We're going to use kucoin app. I prefer kucoin because most of the metaverse and other cryptocurrency are in kucoin, so I prefer using kucoin app. So first things first, I go to Play Store. But if you're not using an Android phone, please you can go to your Apple Store and download kucoin app. Okay, so now go to Play Store. I'm using an Android phone for this class, so let's go. Just type kucoin. Type kucoin, kucoin, kucoin exchange app, kucoin app. Whatever you type, it will come out and display kucoin anything related to it. Alright, so I already have kucoin here. All I have to do is to update my kucoin. So if you don't have kucoin, what you see there is install. So why that is good done. So we have downloaded the kucoin wallet. Let's click on open. Take us straight down to kucoin app. So please subscribe if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. So this is what comes out once if you don't see something like this, you don't see anything like KuCoin logo, you don't see something like this in this interface, please, that's not KuCoin wallet. Endeavor to take note of all these things. There are cryptocurrency scam wallets everywhere. Please be very alert. Okay, so just follow my guidance here. So this is the home button. You down here you see home, you see market, you see trade, you see features, and you see assets. If you had a wallet before now, your money will be in assets. You understand? If you don't have, you still go to assets to go and create a wallet. So click assets. So you click on sign up. So now you start signing up. Now you create which email do you want to use. So from here you put in your email. Okay. Let me pick one of my emails. Let me pick a random email and just use for this sample. Okay. Go see Duper. Alright, so I put in the email. It told me email verification code. So they'll send a code to my email. So I click send code. So once they send the code to my email I want to use, okay. So you screw this to where this box is. You scroll down to where it is like this and put it inside. So that's it. Once that is done, they'll tell you code has been sent. So you have to put the code before 60 seconds elapse. So I go to my email, they sent. The code is sent. I copy the code. Code is sent. You copy the code from your email, go back to your KuCoin, then you paste it. Yes, the code has been sent to my email, and I put in the code in KuCoin. I'll create a password here. So let's create a password. Um, yeah, please make sure your password is secretive. There's an uppercase and lowercase. I mean, when you say uppercase, a capital letter and small letter, then you have number in your password to make it strong. Please, this password don't share it to anybody, not even me or anybody. Don't share your password to anybody. Write it down somewhere. Write down your email down somewhere. Write down your email password down somewhere. Write down your kucoin password down somewhere. Very important, write them down because you need to have them written down somewhere. All right, so I click sign up now. Once I click sign up, they will ask me if I want to use my login with touch ID. That's better off. If you have a phone that you can have an ID, touch ID, just use your fingerprints. It's also helpful for security too. But I'm not using that now for this account, so just go on maybe later. So active now, maybe later. So now I have created a cool coin wallet. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Now see the up, you're seeing the first letter of my name, Grace, which is GR there. You see, it's as simple as that. When I come to assets now, instead of it to show me sign in or sign up, it's showing me a fresh account now. The account is empty. This is my main wallet 00 trading wallet 00 margin. This is how to create a crypto wallet. Very, very simple. You understand? So now that you have created a crypto wallet, what do? If you want to move ahead to the next level, you can decide to verify your account. You go to verify your account, you click on that place, then you click on, see up here, you're seeing my email, you're seeing unverified. So you go to this corner here, top button here, and click on unverified. You click on it. With that one, I can input my details. They tell me verify now, meaning they'll ask me my name, my phone number, everything to verify my account. Once I do that, they will ask me for my ID number. You can verify your account. I agree to all the this. You click on submit. With that, your account is very verified. So that's how it works. It's as easy as that.